Hi, this is Troy Crichton from Crichton Law. Today we're talking about why do I even need an attorney in a accident where the other side's at fault and the insurance company has contacted me and I can just handle this on my own. Well, I'll tell you what, the insurance companies are not your friend. Even if they try to butter you up and talk real nice to you, they're undervaluing your claim. One of the major reasons that you need a personal injury attorney is because having a lawyer gives you leverage. Um, an insurance adjuster knows if you're doing this claim on your own that one, you typically don't know what you're doing, but two, there's no threat of litigation. And without any threat of litigation, the insurance adjuster knows that they can just offer you whatever you like and you'll probably take it. Having a personal injury attorney, one, takes the entire duty off of you. It really lifts the load. It's someone who's in your corner fighting for you. Two, it maximizes the value of your case. Having a personal injury attorney on your case drives the value so much higher because the insurance adjuster knows that that lawyer, A, knows what the case is worth, and B, is willing to take it to court in order to get you every dime that you deserve. Also, something that you may not think of in a personal injury action, there's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes. There's a lot of issues with health insurance, personal injury protection insurance, medical bills that need to be paid. Having a personal injury attorney, in addition to getting you the most compensation available, will also make sure that all your bills are paid, all the health insurance deductibles are taken care of, and that any medical liens or Department of Public Welfare liens that have accrued are taken care of, which can be very, very important because the last thing you want to do is to settle a case with outstanding bills. And if you're doing it yourself, you might be in a position where you settled your case and then you get a letter from the hospital or your health insurance company saying, hey, we want our subrogation, we need our money back. And then you can be in a situation where the amount of money that you settled for is going right back to your health insurer. So you need to have someone in your corner fighting for you in order to A, know what the case is worth, and B, make sure all your assets are protected. So if you'd like a free consultation with me, Troy Crichton, I can be reached at 267-225-3317 here at Crichton Law. Thank you. Have a great day.